Hi and welcome to my channel. Today we're opening this Got a Story 1M13. Yeah, I figure I would start the year with going back and do one of the most basic waifus boxes. A lot of packs and a lot of cards. You had a nice new year. Hope you got a good start of the year. My year didn't end very well, and yeah, haven't started very well because since I'm still sick. Very nice art and coloring to the packs in this set. Yeah, the box as well, but yeah, this is pretty banged up, but yeah, doesn't matter. I have a good box on the side. So yeah, it's 30 packs and 5 cards per pack. So how are you? Christmas, New Year's Eve, good? You got any waifus for Christmas? Yeah, so let's get started. Try to do a bit quick video on this one. Yeah, quite nice. SR here. Yeah, you have to suffer through the commercials. I don't go and turn it, switch that.
Alexandra har levt med hund länge och det är som oroar mig, men när vi ska ut och resa så blir jag alltid nervös. Alltså inte för att hon är med hund utan för att hon packar allt och typ ingenting som behövs. Men det kan ju bli kallt på Filippinerna någonstans.
My throat is still pretty sore.
Har utvecklats. Se till att dina kunskaper också gör det. Läs mer på Folkhälsomyndigheten.
Nice one.
/hiv idag.
I like colors better in this. Oh, nice SR. I think I like that one better. And first SSR. A nice one. Nice SSR. Also very nice. Yeah, I think I like this one actually better. Another very nice one. Yes, I like the purple coloring. Oops. Yeah, pretty nice one, but a nice CR card. First GR. Think this is the first set that have the GR, I believe. And then hopefully I get an SCR as well.
Vi på Danske Bank vet att bara 1 av 10 unga har råd med insatsen till en lägenhet.
Men mamma kan hjälpa mig, eller hur?
Se till att ni har samma förväntningar. Vi hjälper dig med din och dina barns ekonomi. Från
Excuse me.
och allt däremellan. Välkommen till en lite rakare bank.
Yeah,
Jag tror kanske
still
att
sick.
pappa är en superhjälte. Ibland på vintern när han
Yeah,
kan
this
ligga
is
så
a nice
kan
one
han
as
bara
well.
gå upp. Han klär på sig och smyger ner för trappan. Sedan går han ut. Så kan han vara borta i många timmar. Och när han kommer hem går han till sitt andra jobb. Precis som en superhjälte. Jag undrar vilka superhjältar
Very nice SSR.
han har någon cool utrustning.
It's better. Yeah, I think it's better. More interesting card, I think.
En riktig superhjälte. En snällhjälte.
Yeah, I hope you like, subscribe and to my channel and comment my videos. Yeah, this is a nice one. A second GR. Yeah, it's nice with something different, but yeah, I'm not big fan of the SCR and GR because yeah, I don't know, it's not much going on in the cards. Yeah, this is nice. SSR, a Demon Slayer girl. What's her name? Nessico? Something like that. Nessico, yeah. I'm not very good at the names, but yeah. Another one of these. Very, very nice. Huh. Not very nice SSR. Last pack.
Välkommen till Elgiganten.
Nu är det jackpot på Europatipset i en helt annan liga.
All SCRs kind of similar. Same pink color. Yeah, no, SCR. Strange, but yeah. Got 2 GR. Yeah, I'm not sure which one I like the best. I think I like... I usually don't like the CR cards. But I think I like these 2 the best. For once. And that's fun. Fun that I like 2 cards from a rarity I usually don't like at all. Yeah. What was your favorite cards? Yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you.